If you ever have the desire to understand how it feels to wield a lightsaber, you may grab a roll of wrapping paper to swing around. Or maybe you'll launch a game of Star Wars Battlefront and hopefully accumulate enough points to pick a hero before somebody else picks them. But none of these examples make you truly feel like a Jedi. You'll find yourself sitting back down to watch the films and keep thinking about how cool characters like Darth Maul are as he wields a double-bladed lightsaber. My jaw dropped as a kid when I first saw that thing.
Wow!
Luckily, my friends at ARTSABERS realize I have mastered the art of swinging around gift wrapping paper and decided to invite me onto the Jedi Council, but not grant me the rank of Jedi Master.
You are on this council, but we do not grant you the rank of Master.
How can you do this? This is outrageous. It's unfair.
No, but all jokes aside, they gave me an amazing Christmas gift. Darth Maul's Neopixel Lightsaber. The dark side of the Force was calling, and this saber was my first step into joining the Sith. To start off, you have to admire that with every lightsaber ordered on ARTSABERS comes a carrying case with a scrolling number padlock that you can customize to keep your saber out of sight. It's pretty useful, especially if you have that one family member, friend, or random person who is looking to use your lightsaber, but secretly you don't want them to. Let's take a look at the hilt of the blade. You'll have a choice of choosing a silver or black color lightsaber hilt. Hopefully my hand is a good comparison to show how big the hilt is. Luckily, with Darth Maul's double-bladed lightsaber, you can twist off both sides of the lightsaber and boom, you got two lightsabers. Amazing. Now, to a foreigner's eye, you may think that all these buttons do something, but they actually don't. These are all fake buttons. The only real one is the silver button that each saber has, along with the charging port found above. But you didn't come here to see the hilt of the lightsaber. You came to see how bright each Neopixel lightsaber looks. First things first, we have to put the blades on and tighten 2 screws on each. This is so the blade doesn't go flying out of the saber. Once you've tightened the bolts to your lightsaber blade, you're ready to ignite the saber and start feeling like a Jedi. And yes, the lightsaber is bright, extremely bright, just like the movies, if not brighter. Neopixel lightsabers truly outshine RGB sabers in terms of the colors and the brightness. Now you may think that you have to be careful with your Neopixel blade, but I'll be honest, I've been twisting these dual lightsaber blades pretty fast outside, and with the tip of the blade accidentally smacking down on the pavement multiple times, as well as my time spent doing a little bit of light dueling, I can say that without a doubt that these blades are quite sturdy. With a Neopixel lightsaber, you are not only able to change to multiple colors, yes, even rainbow, but you can choose the type of startup ignition that the blade will do, change which sounds the lightsaber shouts out whenever you block imaginary lasers, or even change how the blade itself looks as it's idling, from a blade that pulses in brightness, a very flashy blade, a blaster blade. I mean, you name it, there are so many options that you can pick from. But every lightsaber comes with an instruction manual. All the settings can be changed with how long you hold down on the single button. You may do a fair bit of counting in your head and letting go of the button to change the lightsaber to a setting or a sound that you want. But it's very easy to understand after using the saber for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now there are 2 reasons why picking Darth Maul's lightsaber is such a great choice. Number 1, because it's a dual lightsaber. Meaning, not only can you have 2 blades spinning around at the same time, but this also means you can have 2 different lightsaber colors spinning around at once. You may think that Darth Maul is cool with a double-bladed lightsaber that is all red, but if you're in a Christmas mood, why not switch to a red saber and a green saber for a bit? And if you want to go all out, of course you can pick 2 rainbow-colored lightsabers to attract the eye. Number 2, when you buy a double-bladed lightsaber, you are actually getting 2 sabers in one, meaning if you want to fight against your friend, no problem. Twist apart both lightsabers from each other, hand one saber over to your opponent, and duel to your heart's content. Just make sure you have the high ground, otherwise things might not go too well for you. Now if you're looking to get a discount on your first lightsaber at ARTSABER, click the link in the description down below, and make sure you use code moopliss to save 5% off your first lightsaber. May the Force be with you. And as always, stay hydrated, gamers.